Hey, what's good? Lovely people from the internet. David here. Today we are going to remove the tires from this yellow bike. Why? The intention for this bike. Hey, what up, Kenshin? Say hi to the camera. No? Alright. Today, we are working on the fire blade. We are removing wheels and tires because, first of all, tires are trash. And second of all, as I mentioned, we are painting this bike. We're changing the color, and we are I think we are powder coating the wheels, or maybe I'll paint it myself, but yeah, definitely we are changing the colors because the rims are very scratched and dinged, so the paint has a lot of damage. So today we are removing the tires, well, the wheels, and I think maybe tomorrow we are taking them to remove the tires from the rims, and then we'll see if we powder coat the rims or just do a regular paint job on them. So let's start jamming on this. Wheels are out. Sorry, but I just came out of work and started working on the bike. So apologies for my shoes and I think it's no dress code, right? There's no dress code. Anyways, so for the calipers, both are very dirty and well, they're trashed. Look at this brake pads; they're disgusting. So I think we will clean the brake pads, and if the pads look okay after the cleaning, we will leave them, because the bike was braking no problem, and the brake pads, they had more than half of life. Yeah, but for the calipers, both are pretty trash, so we are painting them. I was thinking to use a metallic black or like a gunmetal gray. Let me know in the comments below, which color do you think that will look best for this bike. The bike will be white with the blue pearled on it, or like white with the yellow pearled, like the Cadillac Escalade kind of pearl. But yeah, I will put an image of the colors. But yeah, or maybe black. Yeah, so let me know which color do you think that the brake pads will, the brake calipers will look better. And the rear also is ugly as fuck. Oh, sorry, as hell, or whatever. Yeah, but just let me know. Definitely we will paint them, but I haven't decided which color to go with. We will proceed to remove the rotors from these wheels. These rotors are in good shape, so we will clean them, and from there we will decide if we are changing them or just keeping them until they go bad. Yes, definitely these rotors are in good shape. The bushings are tight and the disc has pretty good life, so I think we're using them. Yeah. Also, well, let's do a inspection, a quick inspection to the bearings. So they feel okay. I think there's no need to change them. Let's see the other side. Yeah, they're okay. We're leaving them. Good, so let's load them to the car. Hey guys, David here. So, quick update on the Fireblade wheels. Today we are heading to my friend Beto's tire shop. We are removing the old tires from the wheels so we can paint them. So we arrived to the shop. My buddy here, my buddy Beto, will take care of the wheels. Tires are out. I will give this tire to a buddy of mine. We will go and drop the tire in a moment, and I need to throw away this tire, so this tire's trash. It's trashed. I think I only do one side, or something's wrong with my bike. Let me know in the comments if this is normal or I'm the one that I'm riding wrong or whatever. But yeah, let me drop in the comments if this is normal for a bike, for a tire. So we will proceed later on to prep the rims for painting. We're painting the rims ourselves, so yeah. Oh, and I didn't knew that these were Enki, so yeah. Let me know in the comments also if Enkis do the wheels for all the Honda bikes, or these are aftermarket ones. I know that this bike has a different wheel pattern, like a 3-spoke wheel, but yeah, but I didn't knew that they were manufactured by Enkis. It's kind of cool because it's kind of a Honda thing. But yeah, I will start sanding them today or maybe tomorrow, so stay tuned. Don't forget to drop a like and hit the subscribe button. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.